Welcome to our Excel training sessions. I'm Omar Baja. In Excel, there are certain methods we use for printing. Surprisingly, there is a method that many people are unaware of when it comes to printing, rarely known and seldom used. When you press Ctrl+P, we transition to the print screen where we can see our document ready for printing. Here we make our settings. Should you find it necessary to adjust the column widths upon entering the print screen, there exists a very effective method. In this printing process, you do not need to exit and return to Excel to adjust the column widths again and perform printing operations anew. When you arrive at the print screen, click the button that shows the margins in the bottom right corner of your screen. Pressing this button will display your column widths as black dots above. From this point, you can easily adjust your column widths as you wish, as well as set the header and footer areas according to your preferences. You can do this easily. It's a great and useful method. When you want to print a document, we press Ctrl+P. Sometimes when we do this, the columns are really wide or narrow. You need to adjust them accordingly. So let's go back to Excel. Let's adjust the column widths again. Let's return to the print preview mode once more. It's ending now. When you come to the print preview, press the button in the lower right corner that displays the margins. From that point, set the column widths to your liking. You can print your document as a PDF or in the standard way. Enhance your workflow. Work fast and effectively. I look forward to seeing you in the next training video. Take care. Remember to like and share the videos, everyone. If you watch this, please subscribe. We're nearing 200,000 subscribers. We need 20,000 more subscribers. Let's hit the 200,000 goal together. See you.